Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide Credential Manager from Control Panel in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide Credential Manager from Control Panel, go to Search. In Search type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. In View by, category is selected. Click on the drop down and select large icons. And here you will find an option Credential Manager, the most important security option in Control Panel. Now I am going to hide this option. Close Control Panel. Go to Search. In Search type GP Edit. Click on Edit Group Policy. Under User Configuration, expand Administrative Templates and click on Control Panel. You will find here a setting, hide specified control panel items, and now it's not configured. Right click on it and click on Edit. Now click on Enabled, and here you will find list of disallowed control panel items. Click on Show button here. Here in under value, just type Microsoft dot credential CREDENTIAL manager M capital Microsoft dot credential manager. Now click on OK, click on Apply, and then click on OK. And look, the policy is enabled. Now close local group policy. Right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type GP update /force to make immediate effective your group policy update. Now click on OK. Updating the policy. Now you need to log out your computer. Click on Start menu. Click on your user icon and click on Sign Out. After logging your computer again, you need to check. Click on Search. In Search type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel, and in Control Panel Credential Manager is not showing here and it's hide now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.